Here is question from NET JRF 2016 from electrostatics, question number 2. In this question, it is given that two parallel plate capacitors separated by distance x and 1.1x respectively have a dielectric material of dielectric constant 3 inserted between the plates and are connected by a battery of a voltage V. The difference on charge on the second capacitor compared to the first will be equal to, first option is plus 66%, second option is 20%, third option is minus 3.3%, and option D is minus 10%. So let's solve this question. For solving this question, as we know from the definition of capacitance, Q1 equal to C1 V1, which is equal to 3 epsilon naught A divided by X. This is value of C1 because dielectric constant 3 is inserted inside the two plate of plate capacitor times V. Again, charge Q2 will be equal to C2 V2, which is equal to 3 epsilon naught A divided by 1.1x into V. Now Q2 divided by Q2 minus Q1 divided by Q1 will be equal to into 100% will be equal to 1 divided by 1.1 minus 1 multiplied by 3 epsilon naught A divided by X into V, and this is divided by 3 epsilon naught. This is again divided by 3 epsilon naught A divided by X into V. Now this V cancelled and 3 epsilon naught X will cancel into 100%. So this value will be equal to 1 divided by 1.1 minus 1 into 100%. So our value Q2 minus Q1 divided by Q1 will be equal to 10 divided by 11 minus 1 into 100%. So this value will become 10 minus 11 divided by 11 into 100%, which will be equal to minus 1 divided by 11 into 100%. Therefore, the value of Q2 minus Q1 divided by Q1 will be equal to 9.0909%. Now in our options, 4 options are given. First option is 66%, which is never possible. Second option is 20%, which is again not possible. Third option is minus 3.3%, which is not possible. So option D, it is approximately equal to D. So therefore we can write our option D is correct. Option D is correct. So this is the solution of this question.